The torch is working fine now. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, friends. Are you ready? Yay! We are ready! We're ready. Little Singham, I am afraid of the whole jungle. Don't be afraid, Karate. Here, this will ensure your safety, and I will ensure all the fun. Let's go!
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle,
we are not afraid, we are not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps are back.
What's that? It's a capybara.
we are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Stomping in the jungle, stomping in the jungle, we are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Stop, listen. What's that?
That's a sloth.
We are not afraid, we are not afraid. Jumping in the jungle, jumping in the jungle, we are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Hey, stop. Yeah, what? A butterfly. Wait. I see one there. I catch it. That's not a butterfly. That's a poison dart frog. Very dangerous. And so is the spider next to you, Karate. Hi. What? Where? There. That's a tarantula. They are big and scary, right?
We are not afraid, we are not afraid.
We are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle, we are not afraid, we are not afraid.
Stop. Listen. What's that?
Look, that's a jaguar. It has patterns on its back. It can run and it can swim.
It's always ready to attack.
Look below your feet now. What mystery swims in the lake? That's a big boy anaconda and it's world's largest snake.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, we are not afraid.